Today, I will show you how to install Brave, the ad-free browser. Open your browser and search Brave browser. Click on the first result, www.brave.com. Click on Download Brave. This will download a small installer file. Locate your download and run it. The installer might take some time, depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, Brave will open automatically. Click Set Brave as your default browser. You can skip or import settings from other browsers. Click Finish to complete the setup. You can also pin it to the taskbar for easy access. You can now enjoy fast, ad-free browsing with Brave. Subscribe to the channel for more fantastic tech insights.